Right, a summary of the Bitcoin outcome. So, further to the analysis from overnight, in Asia, start of the week, what we talked about, and I'm not claiming here that I've got a crystal ball and I can call these over and over again, but it's a methodology and one that has an edge. So, I'm quite happy to admit that this worked out to a T. Um, Only that it hasn't fulfilled the target as of yet. And I can't predict what's going to happen over the course of the day leading into my trading window. So, um, unfortunately, uh, coming into my trading window, we'd already seen a formidable blow off. And if we look at this, what I don't want to be doing, ideally, even though I did, but what I don't really want to be doing is trading at the end of a move. I don't really want to be getting in following three or more breakouts on the hourly chart, because these are susceptible, obviously, to profit taking and whatnot, especially when we come into critical areas on the chart. So this, unfortunately, had already gone when I came into my trading window. But for anyone that wants to read through that analysis that I wrote, and produced a video upon. It was a comprehensive explanation, so I won't get into all of the nitty gritty, but it worked out to a T. We had the pump, the coil, and the blow off, and we did so leading to a break of the daily switch level I talked about, coming up over here on the left hand side, the market profile, up into this formidable resistance area marked by a previous day naked point of control, like a magnet. It was drawn to it, ran out of steam, coming into the value area low of the outside day that we talked about. We're targeting a range expansion of that outside day, still in play, but just hasn't come to fruition as of yet, um, and so on. So, a very nicely worked out analysis ahead of the trading window for which I trade. 15-minute chart over here on the right, opening it up. So what I look for is the trend predator pro to align with the price action at the time of my trading window, which is 10 a.m. So I use the Wall Street opening box as my foundation for my trade entries. So what we had here was a lovely fake out high after the first 15 minutes. So that's always nice. Getting back below the VWAP here, a beautiful breakdown candle, fake out low. So you want to watch for that. And then the fake out high breakdown candle. All right. So a lovely 10:05 entry as we're breaking back below this candle here, the fake out. So getting in here somewhere. But my plan on the day was to be patient and wait for a break of the value area low of the prior day. We also had that coupled with a H4 switch bar. I'll show you that here on the right hand side. So I was a bit cautious with this. So here was the breakdowns in the 4 hour. So that was the last breakdown bar. So that's the breakdown level. So it's an H4 switch level. So when that market pumped, it trapped volume down low, moved away up from it. And when it's coming back down, I'm watching this level to see how the price behaves, aligned with the previous day value area low. Okay, so hence why I did not get into the trade before then. Colleagues in our community did, so well done to them. They traded it as a nail and bail setup on a Monday. So being patient, what I did is I took the 5-minute close below the levels. They're a bit blurred now with the marking there, but these are the levels. I mean, they're not exact levels, but there or thereabouts. So a nice 5-minute close, immediately into drawdown, but then we got the acceleration out. It was looking pretty good, and it came into a 100% range expansion of the box. So always cautious at that point. And as you can see, the market just fizzled out, ran out of steam. It had already done 3 consecutive, or if not 4 consecutive breakdowns. So it was always going to be a higher risk setup, despite being a 3 trend, 3-star quality. So running out of steam following that breakdown, and I got out of the trade. I just not going to sit there through all of this for the entire day. My go-to setups are sort of in and out intraday trade setups on the breakout of the orb, such as gold, such as the NAS. And unfortunately, the Bitcoin just didn't want to play out to fruition. I had my eyes on the 100% range expansion, as I mentioned in the video and prior analysis. 100% range expansion of the outside day. Also aligns with a previous week value area low target. So this is still very much in play, but I'm not a swing trader and I don't generally hold on to trades for the entire day, especially on the Monday. It's the opening range of the week. Not expecting fireworks. It's more of a nail and bail day. Not always. I mean, day 1 runners on a Monday can run. This was a day 3 cycle trade, day 1. Day 2, pump and dump on a day 3. Not quite completing the move, I would argue, but nevertheless, opening range of the week. Got the Fed coming up, so I'd expect return to mean type of price behavior. So I hope that was insightful. Thank you very much for your interest in reaching out to anyone that did, and for those that took anything away from here, fantastic. If you're happy to connect with me and see if we can put our heads together or anything, I'm open to collaborations. Thank you very much, and may the markets go with you.